Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your font in Notion. So let's get started. So here we are in Notion and we have our sample empty page right here. And when we type something, it would be just the normal font, even if we type it right here. So there is no real way for you to directly change the font right here in Notion, but I will show you an alternative on how you can do this. So what you want to do is go into google.com and type in text fonts online, and then you would have a bunch of websites. But what I personally recommend is you go to the first one, which is PixArt right here. Click on that. And from here, all you have to do is type the text that you would want to be in a different font. So for example, sample text, just like so. And then you can just provide, maybe you can just choose right here which one is your best interest right here. So for example, I'm interested in maybe this one right here. I'm gonna click on copy, and then all I have to do now is just paste it, just like that. It's now in a different font, as you can see. And now I can try some other fonts if I want to. So maybe I'll try this one right here and copy, and then I'm gonna paste it right here, paste, and now as you can see, it is now in a different font. So that is basically it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.